So I am not in my normal, let me shut the fan off. So not in my normal filming area because I need plugs and stuff for today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. Welcome. If you want to get to know me even better, you can follow me on all my social media. I'm super active on Facebook and Instagram, and sometimes Snapchat, but not so much really. Make sure that this is secured. So I'm going to kind of be doing, the next few videos are going to be sort of like my favorite products videos. And this one that I'm going to do today is actually one of my most favorite products. It is my Lange wand. So this is the 1-inch wand, and I think, hold on, let me get the box. This is the Angele, and it's the 25 millimeter. It's made of tourmaline. It's the curling wand, and I got it in white. This is the box that it came in. I've had this for a few months, and I use it a lot, and I had to actually go on and watch a few tutorials myself to figure out how to make this work. I was in like regular curling iron mode, and I had to kind of break myself out of that because this is kind of actually backwards. So I just thought that I would jump on and show you guys, in case you were ever interested in getting one, how they work. So this is how I do my hair with the regular wand. So I don't know if those of you who have never seen a wand, it's a curling device. It does not, however, have the clamp, I guess, that the regular curling irons have. So you have to wrap it. They do send you a glove. This, again, I don't know if I said, this is the Lange wand that I got. They are normally somewhere up around $100. I happened to get really lucky and find it on sale. I think I got it for $39, worth every penny. I absolutely love the way my hair comes out with it, and I am definitely going to buy the bigger one, which gives you like a softer, bigger, more wave. This one actually gives you a curl. I also purchased this. This is the Lange Rival Heat Shield that I got with it, and this is a really, really good heat protector. I actually use it for everything, like even just to blow dry my hair. I put this in it because I do have super, super curly hair, so I straighten it every day, and it does suffer from heat damage. But ever since I've been using this, it's actually not been too bad. So I am going to just spray the section of hair that I'm going to use, that I'm going to curl right now. And I'm going to brush it through. And then I'm going to take about a 1-inch section of hair. And so you're going to go up and over your head. At first I was trying to do it like this, and as you can see, it just doesn't work. So I was like, how the hell do you do this? I found a video, I watched it, and then you just curl your hair around it. This one does not have a temperature gauge. It gets up to 410 degrees. You do not need to leave your hair in this very long, and then you just slowly pull it out. I like to catch the curl in my hand and let it cool a little bit, and in doing this, I feel like the curl holds better. And I'm not going to comb it out or anything. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the bottom of my hair, and then I will spray it after. I'll spray it all together. You really don't need a lot of hairspray. The heat on these is so hot that the curls just kind of hold. But I do spray them, and these curls will last for days. Like, I'll just have to touch them up. This is definitely one of the best heating tools I've ever used, one of the easiest heating tools I've ever used. And yeah, I like, the longer you leave it, the more tight the curl is going to be. I like mine to kind of be loose and bouncy. So that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl the rest of my head, and I will fast forward it and, you know, cut certain pieces out for you. I'm not going to make you watch me do the whole thing, but this is basically, you know, the gist of it. This is how how you do it. And it gets super hot. This glove does protect your hand from the heat, but you could definitely still burn yourself. You're going to be careful near your ears. You know, just obviously use, you know, good judgment like you would with any other heating tool that you do your hair with. And the key is like small sections. Just be patient. And, you know, the bigger the section that you do, the less the curl is going to be. And it's not going to hold as long. So that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and go and do the rest of my hair. And I'll see you guys in a minute. My dog's freaking out, so for no reason, because I just went over to the door and made a noise. He's such an ass. So now that this is done, I'm just going to spray it, and I'm still not going to comb it out, and I'm just going to go do the upper part of my head. I usually do one side first. Oh my god, he has all the dogs in the neighborhood barking. Unbelievable. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray that. I'm going to give that a quick second to just kind of set. I'm not going to brush. I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to kind of like separate the curls with my fingers. And then at this point, I just kind of evaluate, see if there's anything else that really needs to be curled. Like right here didn't take too well. So I'm going to go over this again. And I just kind of like touch up places that I feel could use a little more texture if I could just keep it. I don't have the glove on, so I'm nervous to get close to it because it's really hot. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. It will tame down. It's very curly right now, but as the day goes on, it will definitely get a little bit looser. The other thing I use is this texturizing sea salt spray. This is by Not Your Mother's. I have another one too that I use. I don't really have a liking for any particular brand of it, but I just kind of spray them and then scrunch them. I feel like it gives them a little extra shine. Sometimes it makes them a little crunchy, which I think looks pretty. Certain ones doesn't taste very good. It tastes like salt. I just got it in my mouth. So that's it. So that is how I use my Lange wand to do my hair. I've been wearing my hair a lot like this lately. It's just, I don't know, it's just different. It's different from my regular curly curls that are really tight and kind of springy. These are kind of loose and wavy, and I love them. I love the way my hair looks with this. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is definitely worth the money. If you can find it on sale, unbelievable. Again, it's Lange, Lange. They do have a Facebook page, and also an Instagram, and they post their sales and everything on that all the time, and they do have sales all the time. The other product that I would recommend highly from them is this Rival Heat Shield. They also have an insane dry shampoo. Like, it's the best dry shampoo I've ever used. So those are definitely 3 products that I would recommend from them. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Oh, I'll show you guys the back too. I can't see the back, but it feels like it looks good. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. And I will definitely see you guys soon. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And again, if you're new, just hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all super soon. I love you guys. Bye.